Hindi
Pero
naman-
second cousins din po.
Opo.
So, dalawa relasyon nyo.
Hindi, ang mother niya, ninang namin sa wedding. Nung unang asawa ko.
But aside from that, isa kang koronado, so sa dugo, magka-related din po kayo.
Opo.
Pero yung kung close kayo, in the sense na meron po ba kayong personal relationship,
Wala ho ba siya?
wala ho.
Hindi masyadong-
Pero yet, nagtiwala pa ho kayo.
tiwala ka ho ko dahil barkada nga ng
Nung
tatay niya eh.
nakaraan mga araw po, napanood nyo po yung Madre sa TV.
Opo.
Nung napanood nyo, nakita nyo may away sila sa property.
Opo.
Hindi kayo medyo nagdalawang isip, kailangan ko ba ilipat na yung titulo na to?
Hindi ho.
Dahil naniniwala
Malaki
ko.
tiwala ko dyan.
Oo. Even if hindi kayo ganun ka-close sa kanila.
Opo.
Anyway.
Tatlo magkakapatid yan eh. Kilala ko lahat yun. Si Arturo, tapos si Ruben.
So, ibig sabihin po, kilala nyo sila, wala lang kayong personal relationship,
Opo,
but
opo.
because of your parents and their parents,
Opo.
nagkakaroon kayo ng relationship pagkakakilala
Opo.
doon. No? Last po, hindi po kayo nag-isip na baka mabenta ulit yung lupa nyo? Kasi hindi po naka-annotate man lang eh.
Hindi po, naniniwala ko doon sa absolute dito sila, sa akin doon at titulo.
Yung anak nyo po nasa abroad pa po, nandito na.
Kaalis lang ho.
Kaalis lang.
2 months ago.
Doon po na.
Dati nasa Dubai yun. At punta lang Bahrain. Ngayon nasa Kuwait.
Oo. Well, salamat Mr. Vicente. Yun lang po, no, dahil magiging napaka-essential yung testimony mo sa desisyon namin kung kanino ba talaga ang property na yun. So,
Salamat din ho sa pagtatanong niyo.
Thank you,
Buti
Mr.
dumating
President.
kayo.
Salamat po.
Mr. President,
Yes,
Mr. President, Senator Loren Legarda wishes to be recognized.
the gentle lady from Antique, Malabon, and the Philippines.
Thank you, Mr. President. After all the questions that have been asked, what we just need to ascertain is whether the property really belongs to Mr. Vicente and whether indeed it was a simulated sale or whether the property actually belongs to him. Kaya karagdagang tanong lang po, Mr. Vicente, banggit kayo ng banggit ng asawa nyo. Hindi ako sigurado po kung nabanggit nyo yung pangalan po ng asawa nyo. Sino po yung asawa nyo? Yung pangalan po.
Pangalan.
Opo.
Apelido Morales.
Hindi, kayo po, Mr. Vicente.
Oo.
Ang asawa po nyo,
Estrelita Morales.
Vicente.
Opo.
How long have you been married? Kanong katagal na po kayo?
Naku po, tagal na nun ah.
Do you live
46 years.
Estrelita Morales Vicente?
Opo.
Yes. Kasama po nyo ang inyong asawa sa inyong bahay?
Opo. Siya lang ho, siya lang ho, asawa ko
Opo.
sa bahay na yun.
Mula po ba nung inyong pinatayo ang inyong bahay, ay kasama po nyo ang asawa nyo sa bahay nyo?
Opo.
Ganong katagal na po kayo sa bahay ninyo?
22 years na ho.
Mula nung binili nyo yan mula
Opo.
kay Chief Justice Corona o
Opo.
sa kanyang pamilya. Paano nyo mapapatunayan kaya sa amin na talagang doon kayo nakatira at nasa inyo ang property maliban sa pumunta kami ron na wala po kaming panahon? Ang katanungan ko po ay, meron kaya kayong kamag-anak sa gobyerno o kakilala dito na nakapunta na sa bahay nyo, sa Vicente side, Morales side, o maski sino man na maari makatestigo na talagang sa kanila yan, nakatira sila dyan. At hindi kay Corona yan, kundi sa Vicente family. Is there anyone in this room or anyone at all that we could probably know who can say you actually own the property or your house?
Mga kilala ko, mawawala na sa Supreme Court eh.
Ano po?
Mawawala na sa Supreme
Sino
Court.
po?
Hindi pa. Yung dalawa nandun pa, yung isa wala na. Conchita Carpio Morales. Bali, yung asawa, pisang buo ng misis ko.
Ulit po, Estrelita
Conchita Carpio Morales.
Estrelita Morales
Conchita
Vicente,
Carpio Morales.
Ombudsman,
Ombudsman.
former Justice
Opo.
Conchita Carpio Morales.
Nagpupunta ko sa bahay.
Did he testify on that earlier? That's why, did he testify on that earlier? Oh, okay. So you're saying it for the first time. Okay. Because I went to the restroom
Nagpupunta ko siya
earlier.
sa bahay ko.
I see.
Because-
Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales is a first cousin
Of my
Estrelita
The husband.
Morales
Oh,
Vicente ang
Opo.
asawa because she's a
Opo.
Carpio. And she's been to your house?
Yes,
How many
Once.
times? Once.
once.
She
Once
knows
or twice,
that
I don't
you
know.
actually own your house and you
Yes,
live there.
Yes.
Is there anyone else?
Justice Del Castillo, who's now sick in the Asian Hospital. He's growing bonsai. And I'm growing bonsai also.
And he's also been to your house po.
Yes,
Nagpunta
he's
na po.
been to my house.
So a former justice now ombudsman and another justice have been to your house.
Yes.
Nakita po kayong nakatira doon
Opo.
at hindi kay Justice Corona yon
Opo.
at kayo mag-asawa po ang nakatira doon for
Opo.
22 years. Yun na po ang aking katanungan. Gusto ko lang pong malaman kung talaga pong kayo ang may-ari noon, hindi po na sinususpetsahan namin kayo just to be able to clarify all and put all the statements together. Yes.
Salamat po.
Salamat po, Mr. Vicente.
Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President,
Yes.
there being no other senator judges to propound questions, may we move to discharge the witness?
The witness is discharged. Thank you. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, we believe that the Chief Counsel for the Defense has a manifestation.
The Chief Counsel for the Defense.
I was about to move for resetting, Your Honor, because it's already 6:40.
Yes.
Secondly, the witnesses whom we intend to present had already asked our permission to be able to leave, Your Honor.
Yes. Majority Floor Leader.
So,
Mr. President, we have other matters.
Yeah, proceed.
Mr. President, on the participation of lawyers of Chief Justice Corona in the press conference alleging that some senator judges were offered 100 million pesos each to defy the TRO issued by the Supreme Court, the impeachment court required the defense counsel, particularly Attorney Jose M. Roy III, to cite the source of their information and the names of the senator judges offered. Attorney Jose M. Roy III was cited for indirect contempt yesterday, and the penalty to be imposed was discussed in caucus. The impeachment court is now ready to rule, Mr. President.
Thank you. Well, the ruling of this court is as follows. In relation to the finding of this court that there are sufficient and justifiable reasons for citing Attorney Jose M. Roy III for indirect contempt of court, Attorney Roy is hereby reprimanded for not being candid and for taking lightly his commitment to the court by failing and or refusing to give the required information. This court must assert its dignity and honor in these proceedings. The implication of the statement of one of the members of the defense panel is rather serious because it in effect suggests that this court could be paid in making a decision. And I do not think that it is proper, that is a proper thing to even think about this impeachment court. We may be politicians, but we have our own integrity and honor that we have earned over time. The court would like to remind and sternly warn the parties that it will not tolerate any further act which would cause any disrespect to the court or any of its senator judges, so ordered.
Mr. President.
Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Mr. Presiding Officer,
Yes.
may I be heard, Your Honor?
Yes.
Mr. Presiding Officer, my apology and the apology of the Defense Counsel is on record. We stand by our actions. I accept your judgment. And I thank you for sparing Defense Counsel. Be that as it may, it is my privilege to serve the penalty in behalf of defense counsel. I honor the judgment of the court, and we all stand reprimanded, and we shall be guided accordingly. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, this morning, Counsel for Chief Justice Corona filed a motion to cite the House Majority Floor Leader, Neptali Gonzalez Jr., guilty of contempt of court. Mr. President, to allow our colleagues time to go over the pleading filed, I move that the matter be taken up at our caucus on Monday, 19 March 2012.
Is there any objection? There being none, the motion shall be considered by the court in its caucus on Monday, March 19, 2012.
Mr. Presiding Officer,
Yes, what's the pleasure of the Chief Defense Prosecution?
with respect to that motion to cite in contempt the Majority Leader, we will file an opposition before the caucus on Monday.
Noted.
That's all,
Noted.
Mr. President.
Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, may we ask the Sergeant at Arms to make an announcement?
The Sergeant at Arms will now please make the announcement.
Please all rise. All persons are commanded to remain in their places until the Senate President and the Senators have left the session hall.
Mr. President, there being no other business for the day, we move that we adjourn until 2 p.m. of Wednesday, 14 March 2012.
Is there any objection? There being none, the trial is hereby adjourned until